Hello everyone and welcome to the video where I am doing an impromptu unboxing because I got this in the mail today and I forgot I ordered it, and I got really excited when I realised what it is because look at this box. First off, can we look at this box? I opened it and I thought, what have I ordered for myself? I do this sometimes. You just sort of order stuff, don't you? And you think, why did I do that? But I was wondering, it's a very sturdy box. So look at it. Oh my God, it's so cute. There's penguins and there's this guy and he looks adorable. And this one, oh my Lord, the hero's journal. Give your goal a quest. And it goes all the way around. Got some quotes there. All we have to decide is what to do with the time given to us. Gandalf. You can listen to Gandalf, I think. When he says run, you bloody fly, you fools. Anyway, heroes are made by the paths that they choose, not the powers that they are graced with. Ooh. Inside this box lies your call to adventure. A life full of quests, slaying dragons and making allies awaits you. Happy questing. And they're building it up a little bit. It's essentially... Oh, I literally opened it and went, oh, it's that. So I haven't really looked, but it is a bullet journal. Oh, it's the NaNoWriMo bullet journal, which I don't know if it's still available. It was like a limited time thing, and it's like a notebook, so I had to. So we've got little NaNoWriMo word slayers sticker that is just going everywhere. We have NaNoWriMo choose your line. Little sticker there. This is every year they have, basically NaNoWriMo stands for, I should tell you really, shouldn't I? The National Novel Writing Month, which is in November. The idea is you write 50,000 words in November. I think this will be my 14th year of doing so. Last year on this channel, if you would like to go look, I actually shared what I was writing. Ended up doing 100,000. It was a whole thing. But every year they have a different theme. So this was a couple of years ago. Is this the new one? Oh, look. Oh, it's like a little abominable snowman. I suppose it's still, you can track your numbers in it, I assume. Whatever it is, it's cute. And a gratitude station, like a little bookmark as well. Writers make thousands of choices. Should a project be a novel, a script, an essay, or maybe a poem? How will it begin and how will it be about? Who will it be about? And will there be dragons involved? And how big will the dragons be? And should one of those be named Daisy? I think there should be a dragon called Daisy. That's a very good idea. On top of all this, you decide to do something even more. Donate to NaNoWriMo, which is how I got this. Your choice helps hundreds of thousands of writers forge their own creative paths and name their own dragons. Your choice powers infinitely more choices, each one more marvellous than the last. Thank you for choosing us, donor. You're very welcome. And now the actual journal itself. I think it's a... Wow, okay. Check out the edges. Ooh, snazzy. What is that? Is that a print on the edge? Or is that something... I don't know. I assumed it was just a bullet journal. Ooh. Oh my Lord. Okay, this is not what I thought it was. Okay, wow. Let's just get this box out the way. This box will be used for many things and be kept forever. Right, so first off, it's a grey kind of materially feel. ASMR, with a sword on there, and there's a sword on the side. So that in itself is great, but you open it up and wow, they've really gone to town with this. I think this was about £30. Well spent, I think. So that is rather gorgeous. It's like a map. The Hero's Journal, Mountain Grey, created by them. Well done. Oh my God, there's more. Oh my God. There's penguins everywhere. Why? I don't know why there's I guess that's their theme. Oh, look, this journal belongs to, and your contact info, if you so wished. It is copyrighted, so this is like a whole thing. And I'm loving this guy. Loving this guy. And the little guy, oh, I'm so excited. Welcome, hero, congratulations, you've done it. Not everything, not your quest, that's next, but you've done the hardest part. You've taken a real step forward. In your hands is the indisputable proof that you are willing to take a risk and set forth to become the hero of your story. Oh, there's Nick and Kyle. So I guess what is it exactly for mapping out your story? Okay, this is way more in depth than I thought it was going to be. Finding your North Star. We want to introduce you to something very important for your upcoming journey. More important than any weapon you could bring, or spell, or secret coat of mithril. I don't have one of them. This is real magic, something you should treasure carefully. This is your North Star. It's always been there, even when things are falling off my desk. That's that's not magic. It's fine. It's just that falling. It's always been there. It's waiting for you. It's the wanderlust pulling you in your heart, guiding you towards something bigger and better. More a guiding feeling in a certain direction. Your North Star leads you forwards, the things you want the most. It's what drives the hero forward when nothing else is clear. Wow, this really, I'm not going to read it all, but it is really in depth. I want a better story about so it's really starting to think about what you want to write and how. Call to adventure, defining your quest. You can always slow this down to have a read if you'd like. But, oh, this is so cute. It's a little, oh my God. So I assume this is me starting my writing adventure. Okay, what's inside? On each daily page, there are 7 scientifically backed components to help you get the most out of every day. So it doesn't just have to be writing. This could be done for anything that you want to achieve in that day. Cultivating positive psychology, a place to record daily gratitudes. Ranking daily tasks, identifying the most important tasks. Allies and threats, recognizing what helps or what hinders you. Very important. Time visualization, planning how you utilize your time. Undated pages, so you can start this whenever you want, and you don't have to do it every day then, do you? Whenever you need as well. I much prefer that. It's easy to write a date in, but you're kind of stuffed if the date's already there. So sometimes that's really useful. Daily goal alignment, a reminder of your overarching quest and reflecting on your journey, looking back to help you move forward. And then it goes into more detail about what all those mean. Act 1. And this is the daily pages, I guess. So, I'm grateful there. This is what I'm up to. You can just ring what day you're on. Today's allies, today's threats, some notes. So, it does change. Okay, so we've got this much of this with the little owl. And I guess at the end of the month, we've got this reflection. Change doesn't come easy. In what ways have you had to battle your comfort zone in order so far? And what has been the most beneficial activities or habits that have helped you make progress with your goal? So at the end of the month, you have a little look and see what happened. Are the pictures different? Yes, the pictures are different for each month. This is really in-depth stuff. And then you go through month by month with different pictures each time. Act 2. So there you go. That is the journal. This is not what I was expecting. I thought it was just going to be a plain bullet journal. I won't read that. That must be like the end. What you get at the end. Ooh. 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 Oh, note pages as well. Very useful. Just for writing a few things down. And then the map at the back. So there you go. That is the Hero's Journal from NaNoWriMo. I'm very, very happy with my purchase. I was happy with the box. I opened this up and thought, oh, I'm keeping that box. But there you go. That is what we got in this. A sort of impromptu. I don't want to cover him up. I don't want to cover any of it up. But there you go. Yes, an impromptu box opening type thing. I just thought you'd like to see what's in it. But anyway, I'm leaving this here. Thank you very much for watching. If you've made it this far, you might want to like and subscribe because I'm a teensy tiny little channel and that would mean you're amazing. But I will see you next time for whatever we get up to. Bye.